Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Ringman unit. Definition: in an electrical power distribution system, a ringman unit (RMU) is a factory-assembled, metal-enclosed set of switchgear at the load connection points of a ring-type distribution network. It contains different types of switches for different purposes. For example, some switches connect with load, some feed a distribution transformer, etc. The metal-enclosed unit connects to the transformer either through a bus throat of standardized dimensions or through cables and is usually installed outdoors. Ringman cables enter and leave the cabinet. This type of switchgear is used for medium voltage power distribution. RMU is an extensible and non-extensible ringman unit for the secondary distribution network. RMU can be supplied in various configurations suitable for most switching applications in 24 kV distribution networks. RMU is a completely sealed system with a stainless steel tank, gas-tight metal enclosure containing all the live parts: switching disconnector, earth switch, fuse switch, the circuit breaker. This blog describes the importance of ringman unit in power distribution and its comparison with other types of switchgear and in which type of power distribution application using ringman unit can be cost-effective. Ringman unit connection in a distributions network. Ringman unit are used in ringman network for the purpose of connecting feeders to form a loop and monitors fault or any malfunction at feeders and distribution transformer end and make sure that power is provided to the utility without any disturbance and with least possible voltage drop. Features: some features of RMU switch gears are as follows. Small in size and compact insulation-filled sealed switchgear. Used for 11 kV 33 kV systems. Normally rated for 630 ampere and 21 kA interrupting rating. Comprises of three types of insulation: oil, air and SF6 gas. SF6 gas insulation is widely used, normally has two incoming and one outgoing and vice versa. Have separate protective and measuring devices. Can be used in indoor and outdoor, reduce hazards related to fire. Modular compartmentalized design. Each RMU consists of at least 3-section modular compartment: incoming feeder, outgoing feeder, bus coupler. Depending on type of distribution scheme, section can also increase in odd number form like 5, 7, 9 and even more in each unit. A 5-section RMU may consist of 2 incoming and outgoing feeder each and a bus coupler. Similarly, a 7-section RMU may consist of 3 incoming and outgoing feeder each and a bus coupler and so on. Components. Following are the main components used in ringman unit. CTPT, for the purpose of monitoring current and voltages, current and potential transformer are used. CTs can be used for giving the input of current to relays, which then senses a normal or fault condition according to the current. Numerical relays, relays used for overcurrent, under and over voltage protection. Cable testing compartment. Ringman units offer a safe way of cable testing from the easily accessible cable testing compartment on the front panel. Operators can simply conduct the cable testing through plug-in type connectors after opening the cover. The cable test cover is safely interlocked and cannot be opened unless the load brake switch is earthed. Gas pressure indicator. Gas density is an important operating parameter for SF6 insulated MV equipment. If the required gas density is not sufficient, safe operation cannot be guaranteed. On ringman units, a gas pressure indicator is fitted to the tank for providing a reliable warning indication against low gas levels. The gas pressure indicator has sections to show the minimum pressure for safe operation. Voltage presence indication system. All ring man units are integrated with a voltage presence indication system. A voltage signal comes from the VPIS through the voltage divider positioned into the cable entrance of bushings. The VPIS can be used to check whether a voltage is present across the cables. RMU operation in case of a fault. For example, if a fault occurs at feeder one side, then first of all the relay will issue a trip signal at load side circuit breaker to open first, and then both isolators disconnect. Now for energizing the load, again isolator to first connects and then breaker is closed. Advantages and disadvantages of RMU. Advantages of RMU: cost and time saving. Easy installation of RMU leads in saving commissioning and installation time and cost. Less maintenance requirement. RMU are less affected to climatic change and can be easily installed indoor and outdoor irrespective of environmental variation, which makes it a maintenance-free system. Small size and compact design. Due to its compact design and small size, RMU are easy to install and operate at any place with no trouble. Safe and reliable operation. With enhancement in design and use of gas-insulated system, RMU ensures an easy-to-understand by operators, safe, efficient and reliable operation and uninterrupted supply at load and all time. Smart skills. With the use of smart electronic circuits and communication abilities, it can be easily integrated with distribution management system and in building a smart grid solution. Disadvantages of RMU: have high capital cost. It is less robust as compared to other switch gears. It may have an operation cycle of 2000, which is less as compared to other switch gear, can fail due to leakage of SF6 gas and with moisture entry.